Hi, I'm Yarlenis Mendoza, and this is my daily routine. I wake up at 4:45 a.m. I get up at 10:05 a.m. I wash my face at 8:05 a.m. I take a shower at 7:05 a.m. I brush my teeth at 5 o'clock a.m. I get dressed at 5 past 5 a.m. I comb my hair at 5 a.m. I have breakfast at 5:15 a.m. I go to work at 10:30. I leave work at 1:30 p.m. I have lunch at 2 o'clock p.m. I work on the computer at 3 o'clock p.m. I do my homework at 5 o'clock p.m. I go to the gym at 6:30 p.m. I have English classes at 8 o'clock p.m. I take a shower at 9 o'clock p.m. I get dressed at 9 p.m. I have a dinner at 9 p.m. I brush my teeth at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. Thank you.